कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी, एंड इन दिस एपिसोड वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ रिव्यू of how the session by session action for the previous entire week has panned out, and whether Nifty and Bank Nifty could reach to their targets that we had set in the last episode, last Friday's episode. So let's quickly go to the summary part first. And as per this summary part, last week we were talking about Nifty range of 15,300 and 15,000. So it broke above this range. And the first target that we had seen was 15,285, which got completed about a couple of days back. And the bullish momentum was still intact even after this target got completed. Similarly, for Bank Nifty as well, Bank Nifty took a little longer time. The target got completed today in the morning, but Bank Nifty seemingly looks exhausted as compared to Nifty. Nifty looks strong because there is a sectorial rotation going on, but Bank Nifty looked a bit tired. So range for Bank Nifty was about 35,000 and 34,500, and today it managed to complete its target of 35,342. Now what next? It can be anyone's game, right? But there has to be some retracement is what I am expecting after all these targets being completed. So we are expecting that there should be some bearish retracement, some correction that should take place in market. Let's go and check what was today's morning message like. So I had taken a reference of this same creative that we had seen right now. So Nifty completed its bullish target of 15,285. Will Bank Nifty complete the bullish target of 35,342 was my question, and in the opening, gap up opening, this target got completed. Now today's day is important because Nifty has managed to break above 15,300 and closing is above the range. Now Nifty range as of today morning was between 15,350 and 15,300. Again today, while opening itself, it broke above the range, and consistently it managed to close above this range very comfortably. Similarly, for Bank Nifty as well, the range was between 35,100 and 35,000. Bank Nifty comfortably opened gap up above this zone, completed the target, but then there was a retracement that can be seen, some kind of a selling that was happening in Bank Nifty. So that was important. And because of this narrow range, I was predicting that Nifty or Bank Nifty may not sustain at those levels. Now, whereas Nifty is sustaining at those levels, but Bank Nifty is finding it difficult to keep up the pace with Nifty, right? So here we are talking about keep your position sizing small till the time we see a decisive change in the trend. Now this is an expectation, but once we get a confirmation of it, on the basis of that we can change the way we are looking at market and also create some positions in accordance with that. As we can see, the week has closed today and the month is going to get completed on Monday. So this coming week is going to prove a little more importance than your average week. Why I am saying this is because all these 1.272 level targets are completed for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. And if we are talking about the weekly contract closing or a monthly contract closing, both things have completed here. The calendar month is also changing in the coming month on coming Monday. So next week is going to be crucial. Let's see how it goes. Move on to chart. But yes, before that, before we move on to chart, people were making merry today. Amazing returns. Look at this, Kamal. So today was a Mota Bhai day. Reliance performed really well. Our target of 2,100 got completed in a jiffy. It was an amazing trade. So even CDSL today gave about 9% rally, and people have made money. Kamal traded CDSL, Laksh traded CDSL. So it was a fantastic day for both of them. And these kind of trades actually give a lot of confidence, conviction to the traders, right? So when I'm looking at here as well, a message from Kavita. Kavita was trading, I think she was trading Mindtree. And Mindtree, she got 10% ROI in 4 days. It's plain simple equity trade. right? And she is very happy for this 10% ROI in 4 days. And there are so many traders who have taken trades. People traded Reliance in between. There are so many people who traded Reliance today. So again, Reliance move was fantastic for the day. So this is Milin, a small quantity in Reliance, 2040 to 2091. Ravindra exited from Metropolis Lab with 7.7% ROI. So today was, I think it's a equity day. Traders made good money in equity, and those trades were fantastic. Some of them traded Reliance as well. So this is Nitin Ganguly, traded Reliance future from 2031 to 2044. Madhav here, a quick fire 1980 call he had bought yesterday, and in today's rally he made some good money, right? So there are so many traders who have made money, and these are the experiences, right? So that I'm sharing with you. Let's quickly go back to charts. हमारे काम पे आते हैं. So the most important thing, Nifty 50 is a weekly chart of Nifty 50. This week's action about 260 points plus, and from here, if you can see the structure wise, the price has reached to the previous high level, and it has managed to breach above this level and form a new high of 15,469. Now the biggest question is, in coming week, will this breakout sustain, is the biggest question that I have. Now if we go back on hourly chart on a smaller time frame, so this is the range that we were talking about in this coming week, right? And in this range, the market started here 21st. No, this is 24th. Market started Monday, and the second day we completed, reached to this target. There was a retracement from there, and then again after this retracement there was a bullish bias, and price managed to close comfortably above this level of 15,285. What next? Now these major targets are getting completed. 15,500 or 15,476 is also one important Fibonacci level, Fibonacci target. So what I'm going to do here is the range, that let's define a range, and that range will define the action that we are expecting in the coming week. So 15,500 and 15,300 is the range that I am looking at. So I'm just making a change at the upper range. So naturally this range will get changed. Now as you can see, currently we are well within this range. We are well within this range and expecting the price to move in a very subtle, natural way, so that we can get a good kind of a movement. Now I am expecting price may or may not reach to this 15,500 mark and then retrace from this levels a bit. It should be a breather. I will not say a bearish bias or a bullish bias. Don't want to put a fear in anyone's mind. Let's trade as per the setup. As long as it is within the range, we'll be able to comfortably trade it. But if it breaks above 15,500 or if it breaks below 15,300, then we can calculate the targets accordingly. But right now I will keep myself only to these ranges of 15,500 and 15,300. That's it. So no new targets for this particular week from me. I'm expecting a retracement to certain extent, but let's take one day at a time. And with this bias, I think let's come back on Bank Nifty. So when we are looking at Bank Nifty, weekly time frame of Bank Nifty here, so we can comfortably see that Bank Nifty also, this candle comparatively a smaller candle as compared to previous week, but the target is just touch and go kind of a thing, right? So if you can go on hourly chart and check on this hourly chart for Bank Nifty, as you can see, this is the range that we had defined, and from this range it managed to break above, and today morning opening candle completed this target of 35,342, and then it is lingering around, not making a new high or trying to break above this today's high or anything of that sort, and showing some kind of a weakness, some kind of a consolidation that is expected. So let's observe how these things go, and then accordingly we can plan our next move. The range for Bank Nifty is going to be 35,500 and 35,000. Okay, so let me just drag it here. So the range, let us calculate this range from 35,500 to 35,000. So let me change here. Okay, so this is the range that we have right now with this target of 35,342, which is important, and we may see some retracement in coming days. Now again here, one important aspect for this week's analysis that I am not setting any bullish or any bearish target. Let us take one day at a time, and how this range or the price is reacting as per this range is going to define the coming week's scenario, right? So let's say how the action session by session pan out, and we'll keep on updating on the Telegram channel as well how to take that particular day in the trading week, right? So with this, I think we'll stop here, and this specific week which is coming will be important from a very simple point of view, that the week has completed today, the month is going to get completed on Monday, and that is the reason I'm refraining from giving any targets at this point in time. And as I'm saying, let's observe market one day at a time, right? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I feel that this video will add a little value to your knowledge about market. Thank you so much.